hands like this. करके देखिए, हो रही है क्या? ठीक है? क्या करना है आपको? When I say 5, then you have to clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I told you when I say 5, then you have to clap. You give the instruction to your mind. When sir will say 5, then I will clap. लेकिन हुआ क्या? Whatever you have seen. That's very important. So आप कितना ही क्लास में बोलते रहे, लेकिन जो आप क्लास में करोगे बच्चे वही करने वाले हैं. It's very important. So whatever change you want, so first bring that change in yourself. Only then it will happen. Otherwise it will not go. Whatever hard work you will do. And with this, coming to the last. So in normal maths, so I'm not able to find the answer to this, but in spirituality I found the answer to this. Plus means the thing I should do, and minus means the thing I should not do. The result is negative. I have to do my homework timely. If I'm not doing it, the result is negative. The thing I should not do, and if I'm doing it, the result is negative. I should not spending more time on social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, but if I'm doing it, the result is negative. The thing I should not do, and if I do not do it, the result is positive. मुझे क्लास में गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए और मैं नहीं करता हूँ, तो क्लास में रिजल्ट क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव. The thing I should do, and if I do it, the result is positive. I should respect elders, and if I respect, the result positive. Negative कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. So with this, yes, you can clap for this. If you teach like this, so not just the problem of maths is solved, the values will also go. It's not necessary they will apply right now in their life. They will remember, once they grown up, they are taking some decision. They will remember, my teacher has told me that I should not be doing this. I should not do this. And if I do this, the result will be negative. That will happen. Because subconscious mind में सब कुछ record हो जाता है. It will come wherever it's required. So our task is to give the inputs and don't worry about the results. ये सब बताया था लेकिन सुनते तो है नहीं. ऐसा नहीं है. They will follow sometime. So with this last homework. Teachers है ना, बिना homework की class खत्म नहीं होती. But my homework is very small and sweet. God has given us a lot of many things, but we forget to thank Him. And thanks is something very important to give everyone, because whatever energy you will give, you will get it back. If you don't thank anyone, don't expect positive energy will come. So रात को सोने से पहले भगवान को thanks करें, whatever